Louis Vuitton. The name just screams luxury. The French design house has this thing where it likes to put its name on other people's stuff and jack up the price. But that's not uncommon, actually. There are Ferrari Bluetooth speakers and Porsche Bluetooth speakers. I mean, design houses do this because people love to buy exclusive, fancy things. So what's this? Well, to me, it smells like true wireless earbuds. That's what's in the box. But I think what's more important is what's in the name. In this case, $700 because they're basically $300 wireless earbuds with a fancy case and about $700 added to the price tag. That's right, $1,000. So what do you get? All right, so before we crack into this box and also this box, because I've got a little surprise for you coming up, let's just talk about why people buy this stuff. I mean, who needs a $1,000 pair of wireless earbuds? Well, it's not about need, it's about want. I've said this before about a lot of different luxury products that we've looked at here. Some people just really love that exclusivity. You know, it's like a pair of sneakers that are really hard to get, that are super expensive. You know, it feels good to have that stuff. And if you've got the money, why not? I mean, I don't have the money, but I'm not gonna waste my time hating on people who do that wanna get into this stuff. All I wanna do is make sure people know exactly what they're getting, because we got a few surprises in store for you. I think you were gonna wanna see this. First, let's tuck into the box. Okay, everyone, I just spent $1,000. I wanna feel rich when I unbox this stuff, so let's see what it's all about here. Looks like we've got a magnetic clasp on the front there. Pop this back. Little envelope, Louis Vuitton. Looks like a little leather case there, zipper case, Louis Vuitton. Pull this back, another magnetic clasp, and it looks like we've got a couple of drawstring pouches. Curious what's in those. Let's find out. Really interested in what's in this envelope. Is it a little note? No. Look at that. It's a little Louis Vuitton polishing cloth. Polishing cloth is a good idea, but I mean, what do you think? This is like $100 of the price that we paid? Is this little microfiber cloth? All right, inside the drawstring pouches, let's get in there. Looks like we have charging cable for the case, USB-C. I like that. That's good times. That means that's gonna go nice and quick, I think. Interesting that it's USB-C on both sides though. And then over here, this is probably gonna be ear tips because you wanna have a nice range. Oh, there's a bunch in there. Come on, get out. Okay, yeah, all right, so we've got ear tips with fins to help keep them in your ear better. We've got some large silicone, some extra smalls here. Curiously, no comply foam tips. That's interesting. Usually you like to see that because it seals out more noise that way. Finally, we have the Louis Vuitton headphones. Ooh, that's a nice case. That's got some heft to it. Actually, you know, there's, remind me of the fact that Louis Vuitton has like a $4,400 watch, Horizon watch, I think it is. These are the Horizon earbuds, and it matches up really nicely with that. Fancy. All right, and then the earbuds themselves, let's look at those. It is a charging case. We'll talk about that a little bit more in a minute, but yeah, these look really familiar for some reason. You know what? I got something else to show you. If you follow our headphone review videos, this may look familiar. This is the box for the Master and Dynamic M07 True Wireless Earbuds. Let's take a look at what's in here. That's also a pretty nice case, right? Got the Master and Dynamic logo right up top. Looks like we got more USB-C charging on that. Little pouch. And then I think there's just some like product literature and yeah, charging cable and ear tips. We don't really need to look at that because you know what those look like, right? Let's get into here. This is what I wanted to show you right here. Uh-huh. Starting to look familiar? That's right. The Louis Vuitton Horizon earbuds are the Master and Dynamic M07, down to a T. The only difference is this charging case, which actually has half an hour less time than the Master and Dynamic, and then the look. You can get a bunch of different colors with Louis Vuitton. Master and Dynamic also offers a bunch of different finishes, but they're not embossed with the LV logo. So let's take a step back for a minute and put this into perspective for you really quickly. Here's the Apple AirPods, right? What do you get with these for 200 bucks? Well, you get a golf tee looking thing that doesn't fit particularly well in your ear, doesn't sound all that great, but it comes with a bunch of very cool, unique Apple features. Wireless charging case and instant access to Siri. Anytime you want to reach her, you don't have to reach into your pocket to queue up Siri. You know, 200 bucks for kind of an average experience. I will say though that the battery life is up there, up in the top 80% of true wireless earbud battery life, right? Now we take a look at the Master and Dynamic M07, which we said was a little pricey. We love the way they sound. They sound fantastic. They fit really well. They're very comfortable. You hardly even know they're there. The controls on them are not advanced. You've got a couple of buttons. But in terms of total listen time and talk time, I mean, it's kind of on the low end of the spectrum. We really want to see about 5 hours, and you're down around the 3.5 neighborhood with these. So for 300 bucks, we felt like they were a little bit pricey to not compete with all the other great true wireless earbuds out there. I mean, they sound better than the Galaxy Buds, but they're bigger, bulkier, and they don't last as long. The charging case is not as effective as the Galaxy Buds, and you definitely can't charge these off your Samsung phone like you can with the Galaxy Buds. Galaxy Buds are just a better deal all around, even if these do sound better. So I can see if premium sound is what's really gonna motivate you and you like the look and feel of these, and they do feel premium, I can see somebody justifying 300 bucks on these, right? I mean, premium products beg, you know, a premium price. The design here is really nice and they sound really, really great. In fact, I think the only ones that sound better that we've reviewed so far are the Sennheiser Momentum, and those sound stellar, but they're not nearly as sexy as these guys here. So that kind of puts things into perspective for the Louis Vuitton Horizon. I mean, we're talking about an earbud that actually takes a step back in terms of charging capability, half an hour less with these than with the M07s. And I mean, yeah, you get a really nice case, you get the Louis Vuitton logo, but at the end of the day, it's a little less talk time, a little less listen time, and the sound is exactly the same. So when you talk about an upgrade of about 700 bucks, you're paying for the Louis Vuitton name. Now, you can hate on that all you like, but like we said before, these luxury products are designed to fit a certain need. People with a lot of money who love designer stuff, exclusivity, something that's really gonna catch the eye, that's what these are for. That's where they live right now. So, 1,000 bucks, at least to start. Maybe they'll come down a little while later. But you know, the next time you're in a luxury store, designer store, don't be surprised to see a $1,000 pair of wireless earbuds sitting on the shelf. They're gonna be there, and it's okay. Hey everyone, thanks for watching. We really appreciate your viewership. I've said it before, I'll say it again, we can't do this without you. So if you like this video, hit that like button. If you thought it was silly, hit the unlike, dislike button. It's okay, I can take it. More importantly though, please subscribe and ring that bell so you get a notification when we produce a new video. And while you're here, we've got a couple other videos we think you might like. Thanks again. We'll see you on the next one, and visit digitaltrends.com for all your tech news and reviews.